Hello Pythonistas. So today in Code With Me series we are going to try to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit converter and Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. So the formula is ready for us for Fahrenheit. If we have the Celsius value to convert it to Fahrenheit, this is the formula, like Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius into 1.8 plus 32. The same way, if we have a Fahrenheit value and convert to Celsius, then the formula goes like Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 3.232 divided by 1.8. So yeah, now let's start doing. Now we can ask the user itself the input. So it is can be int or float. So I am going to write as float. Enter the Celsius value. So we have asked the user input to enter the Celsius value, but where we will save. So we are going to have a variable called as C. C represents Celsius here. So C is equal to, we have asked the Celsius value and we all know the formula. F is equal to C into 1.8 and it should be inside brackets as per BODMAS rule. So I have written like this and then have a plus 32. So this will give us the Celsius Fahrenheit value for the given Celsius and we can just try to print it. Oh, sorry. Yes, and I am printing F. So that's it friends. I think it is very useful. Now we can just run and see the program. Yeah, so enter the Celsius value. Maybe this is my Celsius value. And I got my Fahrenheit value. Perfect, right? So now we can try to convert Fahrenheit, like Fahrenheit to Celsius. For the same way, we are going to ask the user for the Fahrenheit value. So, yeah, so it is going to be again a float input. Yes, we have asked the user. Now it's time to save it in a variable. So I will save it in f is equal to, so that it is easy for me. Now after asking the user, we are going to convert C is equal to what I am going to write in brackets f minus 32 and then it is going to be divided by 1.8 and yeah, we can just try to print C now. The Celsius value is, and I am printing C here. Yes friends, I think it will work fine now. Now it is asking for Celsius value. Good, Fahrenheit is has come and now it is asking for Fahrenheit value. I am giving a number. See, it is coming in so much decimal points. So now I think we can round off our Celsius value to the 2 decimal points. So Celsius round is equal to what I am going to do. I am going to round off C dot round. I needed to round for 2 decimal points. Do you think it will work? We will run and see the program. I don't think it will work. We can check. Yeah, it is not working, right? Because the round off function should not come like this. It should come like C comma 2. So now we are going to print CR here. Okay friends, I know that this built-in functions is really confusing sometimes. Soon I will be giving you the explanation why to put, where to put and all. Now can you see the round off value has been rounded off and coming in a particular 2 decimal point. numbers. So I think Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius is proper now. Now can we add some more to our program? We can make it as a converter. Like we can ask the user whether they need to convert from Celsius or from Fahrenheit so that it will be easy for us. So our first question to the user is going to be, first we can write a print statement. Welcome to the temperature converter. And yeah, now we are going to ask the user like options is equal to, we are asking the user input press 1 to convert dig Celsius to Fahrenheit, and in a new line I will write press 2 to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, I think it is okay now. Okay, the spelling of Fahrenheit. So we are asking the user to press any one of the number, either 1 or 2. And yeah, enter your choice. So we have asked the user clearly. Now after asking the user, we will write as if option is equal to 1. So for this, what we need to do, we need to convert this 1 and 2 to integer, then only it will work fine. So I am converting them to integer now. I have converted them to integer. Now if option is equal to 1, then what we have said, convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we are asking the input to be in Celsius and we are converting and we are showing them the Fahrenheit value. Then elif, okay, the variable name is options. Options equal to 2. Then we are going to use these lines of code. So what will happen if a user presses anything other than 1 or 2? At those times, I am going to write an else statement to print press only 1 or 2. So I think this makes it more sensible. Now we can just run and see this program. Yeah, so welcome to the temperature converter. Press 1 for degree to Celsius. So I am going to press 2 here and run and see. Enter the Fahrenheit value. It is asking correctly. Now I am printing. Now it is showing me the Celsius value correctly. Now I am going to run the program again and I am going to press 1 here. And yeah, it is asking for Celsius value. And yes, it has converted correctly. Now again I am going to run this program. Now I am going to press a 3 here, which is not an option. So press only 1 or 2. I hope this program is very clear and very understandable. So if we have a very big program, it is always better to cut the program into small steps and then join them as we did today, so that it will be easy for us to make a very big program. That's it for today, friends. So follow me with Code With Me and do subscribe the channel so that we can learn many programs together. That's it. This is Shravanti. Bye bye.